Okay, assalamu alaikum. So inshallah in this video I'll explain or walk you through the multiple choice question platform. So na bude browsers guda biyu, akwai Microsoft Edge a nan wanda zan yi login admin dashboard, akwai kuma Mozilla Firefox shine zan yi handling student dashboard ko kuma yadda zai yi taking exam. So to confirm validation I'll just hit on this login, that means akwai security kenan. Username is admin and the password is there. So gashi nan ya loading ya bude dashboard ɗin, we have 7 students, active students and number of subjects registered and other stuff. So now akwai exams question, wannan shine sidebar ɗin, wannan kuma shine kamar wajen wasu configurations ko kuma wasu yan settings haka ne, kamar maybe su dark theme, dark mode da other stuff. This shall we after that bari I will explain the main thing kawai. So now shine da ake adding student, maybe an kawo list of students da su yi registering for the exams. So you can just register them over here. If I hit on this add student just like that, error input cannot be blank. So akwai error handling da yawa da na yi sosai. So I think if I'm to explain all the error handling techniques I use over here, video is very lengthy gaskiya. So I just want to make it very short. So let's say this email can be, let me just use my normal email. I just want to show something again. Let's say phone number 0812345679 and my full name is this. So if I'm to hit on add student exists with same email. That means there's an account that have this same email. So I have to try something different. So I'm sure I have an email that has this 99, and there's a phone number that exists with this. I'm sure it's not going to work. So let me same phone number exists. So let me use a different phone number. That's a 7 at the end. My name is here. So if I like, for this avatar or photo is like optional. If you like, you can upload a picture. If you don't want, you can just leave it. And we'll use the default picture, which is this one. Why I'm the default picture in the generation. So I don't have time for that. Let's hit on that student success. Student added successfully. So when you add a student, if you come over here, view student, you will see some list of students, all the students that you have. So some of them are active and some of them are not active. Let's say there are some students that you don't want to delete them, but you want them there. Maybe you just want to make them inactive because of some problems they have. So you can just come over here and say, okay, I just want to make this person inactive. So here's the information. So let me just close this person details and try to deactivate one of the students. Maybe this guy right here. Student is activated. Oh, just reactivated the person. Okay, deactivate. So let's say you have a student da suka yi exam shekarar nan, so maybe kuma next year za ka ƙara wasu students daban. So ana iya deactivating previous student ba sai sun zo sun yi exams ba kuma sun interfere da wannan system. So hakan ya ƙara increasing security na wannan system ɗin kenan. So gashi na ya zo inactive. So there's a place where you can manage your students, and this is it. You see their names, their emails, their phone numbers, their avatar, the date they joined this platform, and their status. You can edit a student, you can delete a student as well if you want. So this student 5, let me just try and delete the person. Let's hit on delete. If I hit on cancel, that person is not going to be deleted. But if I click on yes, okay, I want to delete that person. Student deleted successfully, and you'll see. So that means it's working. So let me just try and edit this person's information. As you can see, their full name is Adam Suleiman. I'll just change it to Adam Suleiman, and I'm sure it will work. So as you can see, student is also works. Now, any mistake was maybe adding information on student, you'll be able to edit that student. So over here we have some courses. Then there's one the add subject. Akwai courses da ake yi kamar da currently bayani kan akwai physics, chemistry, biology da kuma current affairs and mathematics. So you can just add the subject title and the description. You can just hit on that subject. So already subjects in that ne da ya riga da na, so there is no need for adding any subject. So I just want to make this video short and precise. So ga list of subjects da muke da shi, har ma na samu na adding questions, na yi amfani da ChatGPT ya mun generating some questions na zo na adding. English yana da 25 questions, physics 30, gashi nan current affairs 31. If you like, you can delete a course or a subject. Yeah, you can delete it. If you don't like, you can just leave it that way. And wannan shine kamar description na wannan subject. So abin da yasa ban yi hard coding ba na bar wannan abin kamar static is because ana iya zuwa in the future ana so a ƙara wani course ko kuma ana so a cire wani course. So zai ba administrator ko kuma school ɗin dama su dinga manipulating system yadda suke so according to their needs. They will be able to understand. Za su dinga caccanja abubuwa kawai. So now since I have some subject, let's say exams ɗin da ake yi, maybe akwai na student da za a ɗauka 2020, akwai na 'yan 2021, 2022, 2023. So na yi creating system ne based on that way. Duk shekarar da ake so a ɗauki student, you'll be able to create an exam for that specific year. Kuma only eligible candidates da suka yi registering ko kuma aka yi allocate nasu for that exams ne ko za su iya rubuta exams. So bari in fara da wajen adding questions. So wannan ga na list of subjects da ake yi. Yanzu for example na click akan let's say under English, na click in view questions, you will see all the questions da na adding under English. Zai nuna ga sunan. Yes, let's see. What is the plural of child? I'm sure the answer is children. Yeah. Option D, children, and the correct answer is children. So you'll be able to delete a question and do some other things. Yeah, come on, that's why I'm 25 ne. Total number of one da ake da shi. Questions under English. So shine abin da ya nuna nan wajen. So idan na dawo, ina so na yi creating sabon question under English. So ga inda ake creating question. So I can just say, let's say, what is verb? Action of action meaning action mode. It's spiral. Let me just put some. So now let's say the correct answer is A. I can just come over here and select option A and hit on add question. Question added successfully. So if I'm to go back to that English, dole zan ga wannan question zai fall under English ne gashi nan. What is verb? So the correct answer is action. So that means this is working. So kowane question na kowane subject za a yi mapping nashi ne to that subject. Question na English za a yi mapping nashi down to English, question na math za a yi mapping nashi down to math. So haka system yake aiki. Ban yi hard coding kuma yau ba shi static ba no. Idan ana so ma kowane shekara ana iya a dinga canza questions na student. So that means ba za su escape da past questions ba. So now ga nan da ake creating exams, let's say shekarar da ya zo za a creating exams, amma nan na zo na ɗan creating example ne, let's say ana exams na duk 3 or 4 months. Akwai winter, akwai summer, akwai fall, akwai spring. So nan na ɗan creating exams ne based on winter da summer. So if you like, you can create spring, maybe spring exams 2023. So anan za a tambayi each subject question nawa kuke so ku yi wa student a wannan shekara ko kuma wannan exams ɗin. Idan kuna so ku musu 40 ne, fine, 30 ne. So for this I will just say 10. Exam instructions. Ana rubuta instruction ne idan student ya zo rubuta wannan exams na 2023 na spring, za a ce mishi to exams ɗin ana son kaza, ana son kaza, ana son kaza. Let's say just write something, instruction 1. Don't refresh the page. 2. Haka dai kawai I can just say misali submit. When you are done. So wannan ma kamar list items ne, idan yana so yana iya mai da su correct list or something like that. Yeah. So that means abin yana aiki. So if I hit on this create exams, probably zai mun create exams ne gashi nan. Ya create exams spring na 2023 but number of question da muke son tambaya guda 10 ne for each subject. That means maths za a tambayi question 10, English question 10, current affairs 10, duka dai. So amma student allocation babu student Korea. What this means is student da suka register ma, that does not mean they are eligible to write their exams. Dole sai an yi allocate an ce okay, this student is eligible to write this spring exams. Otherwise system ma ba zai bari ma ya login in ba. So let me just go to these allocations and try and allocate some students. As you can see, all the students are allocated. So I'll try and allocate myself and maybe show that's 2 and maybe this David Lee. So as you can see, 3 students have been allocated. If you want to go back to exams, as you can see, only 3 students are allocated. So that means only these 3 students are eligible to write this Al-Azhar spring exams. So I think that's enough for the admin section. Let me just go back to student section and explain some things. So I'll use the Chrome browser. So for you to use this farko za kamar da ka fara mun da requirement that student na amfani da email ko da phone number, so gaskiya na fi rike email nasu. So let's try and log in with maybe Shehu. Okay. And let me just, okay, I have to refresh this. As you can see, only 2 exams are available, the winter and the summer. So that means I have to refresh this so it will reflect. And as you can see now, the spring's exams is there. So I'll try Shehu at Gmail. Okay, there's that guy that I created at info99 at gmail.com. Let me try. Let's see. You did not register for this exam, send a complaint to the admin. That means I did not allocate this student for this Al Asas winter exams. In fact, there's no exams that is allocated to this person at info99. Well, I'm sure there's this exams, which is the summer. So I don't first is eligible for the exam. So let me just try hit on sign in. And if student is not active, it's not going to work as well. So let me just hit on sign in. What am I seeing? It says summer. Looks like I allocate this student. Okay, I just understand the problem. Student exam da kawai zai iya lokaci ɗaya, na tuno na saka wani restriction. It's not possible student ya register in winter, summer duka a lokaci ɗaya. So dai maybe in summer ya wuce na winter, winter ya wuce na fall. So that's the reason for this. So that means I have to go for this spring. In ba ka manta ba spring na saka maybe previously. So you can just hit on sign in. And bingo, there we are. So ga na instructions ɗin da na rubuta, don refresh the page, submit when you are done. Good luck. Kuma each question, bari in koma cikin admin dashboard. An ce each question, each course ya ɗauki 10 minutes ne, each subject. So tunda 6 subject ne, that means ya tashi 60 minutes kenan. So student zai 60 minutes. Kuma 60 minutes, that's 60 question. Kowane question ɗaya 1 minute ne. So I'll go back there, and the moment I hit on this start exams, timer ya fara counting, everything ya fara kenan kuma everything. So let me just hit on start exams. See? So as you can see, welcome Adam Suleiman together with my avatar. Okay, na yi editing user da nasa ya koma Adam Suleiman. So akwai ganin list of courses na English physics. Idan na yi hovering ma zai hada wannan course description da ake a nan gurin. Sha na yi bayanin shi da baya. So let me just go to English. Za ga timer na ma ya fara ƙasa gaskiya gashi nan. 59 minutes 57 seconds. So choose the correct form of the verb. I went to school every morning. Something like. So what I do usually is for this, like creating a navigation bar. Wani yana cewa this is the correct questions kuma 10 questions ne. Ga na number of attempts da aka yi, na answer 0 out of 10 questions, ga previous question, ga next question, ga kuma options. So I'm doing English, so I went to, I think it's the correct answer there. So ga the timer na yana yin countdown. What is the opposite of brave? I think brave is courageous. And again, what I did was, I didn't so under English yana da 100 questions, amma randomly nake ɗaukan questions. Zan ɗauki 10 random questions out of 100 zan display my student. Student da ke zaune a computer nan da wanda yake zaune a the other computer ba za su ga the same questions ba. It's very unlikely gaskiya. So the next question, choose the correct form of verb. They play football every Sunday. I think should be play. Which one is synonymous to big? Synonymous to big. I think it should be huge. So it's the synonym. What is the plural of child? I think it's children. So haka da yake tafiya, I think I can just hit on this backdoor subject. And okay, ina debugging ma na manta ina wani gyara. Ban ci da wannan ba. Insha Allah I'll remove it. The correct answer na samu 3 ne. So I can go and answer physics questions. Maybe law of conversion of energy, Newton's law of motion, whatever. Also, what is the principle of electric generator? I don't know this to be honest. So that's why it works. Kuma timer din yana tafiya biye. Duk da ana pitch is dynamic, ana refreshing, but I'm sure nice student timer din using session da kuma so our physics 90. Wow. Inshallah zan cire wannan. It's just a mistake. What is the value of pi? Approximately 3.14. Sure, I'll get this. So I can just hit on this back to subject. I'm sure za ga ganin na masu ma'ana ciwon. So as I said, ina debugging ne na kawo yana abuwa, but zan yi removing na saboda bai kamata students suna ganin score nasu ba. Can wajen admin za su ga score nasu. So I can just hit on submit after all attempts. That means zai haɗa gaba ɗaya physics, chemistry, biology zai submit. Are you sure you want to submit? If I hit on cancel, I can continue my examination. Let me just try maybe current affairs. Yes, maybe current affairs. Who won the Nobel Prize in 2021? I don't know. I'll just guess. So let me just hit on submit after all attempts. For now, I'll just hit on OK. Exam submitted successfully. Ya tafi. So let's say student ya gama exam sai kuma zo ya ji kai hanya ba zai ƙara shiga ba ko zai yi. Let me just try that and see. I think I use this. They have already taken these exams. Na sa restrictions gaskiya da yawa a system ne shi yasa ya ƙara complexity shi kuma ya ci min lokaci. So idan mutum ya exam ba zai iya ƙara ya repeat ba. So abin da ya ɗauki lokaci na sosai kenan. So after this, you can just go to the admin dashboard and yes, and print their results and see their results. So that's how it works. Thank you very much, and I'll wait for your feedback. Idan akwai wani gyaran da za a yi ko kuma wasu abubuwan da za ka ƙara. Gaskiya ba komai ne samu ne bayar ba, so I just want to give you the overview of how the system works, and I'm sure you like it.